What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to be playing Airplane Simulator. I'm actually loading into it right now, and we just loaded in, and I'm falling from the sky. No, I'm not. Cool, good for you. We shall press play. If you haven't already, press that like and subscribe button, because I want to get monetized for money.
Yeah!
And yeah, I'm cracking my knuckles. Hear that? I should be an ASMR channel. That's how I say it. I can't say ASMR. I can, actually. Grenfield Iceberg. Glenfield Iceberg. Scammer Fly. That's literally all I know about it. Jordan Airline. How do I get a plane, bro? I did this like twice before. Oh, it's a plane. Plane station. Yeah. Open the shop. Actually, we're gonna try and get this plane. This plane. That's a cooler plane. So we only have like 2 planes on. We're about. Oh, we have $25,000. Wait, we own this? Wait, why did I buy that one? Dude, I'm an idiot. Realistic? Frick yeah, dude. New plane system? Cool. Give me like engine. Cam. Wow. Wow, first person sucks. No, I'm doing it first person. Okay, we're back, and what is that at the bottom? I did not need to know that. Supersonic speed is the speed faster than the speed of sound. Cool, I don't care. I actually never would have asked. I'm gonna go back to Grenfell, Iceland. It said iceberg. Here's my character. It's a W character, right? God, I can't walk. I'm like a green bean. Okay. Unavailable. Bro, we spawned something. Oh, it's a commercial airplane. That's probably not even. I don't know airplanes, okay? Don't get mad at me. Can we see? See in the cockpit. Okay, engine on. We're getting something. Yo, take off. Yeah, we're crashing. Oh. Falling. Dreaming. Look at the moon. It's gonna get money. Oh god, pull up. Pull up. We're descending. Oh, we made it. We made it. We made it. Yo, wait. Whoa, wait. Oh, this is not good. We're going off course. Unexpected visitor. I just want to know, can we do like a loop? Can we do a loop-de-loop? Are we going straight up? Yo. Yeah. I don't know if this was a commercial, if it is a commercial airplane and there's people in it. Yeah, we all dead. Track gear, I don't need that. I'm literally. Wait, we're gonna. Yeah. Oh god. Oh no. We're going 150 knots. 130. Way less knots. Okay. We landed. Yeah, we're dead. We hit the ground. Okay. I know how to. Wait, do I turn my flaps off? Let's take a break. Yeah. I can land an airplane. Let's dump into the ocean. Yeah. And that's when we take off. You don't need gears and flaps to land, right? Wow. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, or good night, or good afternoon, or good morning. Whenever you're watching this, get me monetized. Hit that like, smash that like button. Smash that. What the hell? Smash that subscribe button. Why am I green? And watch some more of my videos. So yeah, I guess have a blessed day and good night. Good night. Good afternoon. Good morning. Have a nice day. Whatever. Goodbye.